Today we're gonna make some fig preserves. We're starting with both fresh figs and frozen figs. As you can see, these have been frozen. We're just gonna warm them up. You can freeze a fig by picking them at ripe, washing the outside, letting them completely dry, and then putting them in a freezer storage bag or container and let them freeze till you have enough to make a batch. This is one of my canners full with about 4.5 gallons worth of figs. Alright, I just added 16 1-cups of sugar. I know it looks like a lot, but it's gonna make a lot of preservatives. Remember, I started with 4.5 gallons of sugar. 4.5 gallons of figs, 16 cups of sugar. The recipe reads 1-to-1 ratio. However many cups of figs you have cups, that many cups of sugar. And sugar's a preservative. Now I'm going to mix it in. Most of the when I'm stirring this, I'm trying to get it to mix, but I'm also not trying to roll over the figs rather than completely breaking them, but they're gonna break. At this point you can take a lemon, scrub the peel really good, slice it in 1/4 inch thick slices, and you can put them in. At this point, now all we have to do is mix it and stir it around, let the sugar dissolve and make that wonderful fig juice, and get everything to boil until the right consistency. At this point, we've got whole figs and we've got figs that are broken. So in this water, I just started water bathing some, and ouch. I forgot to bring you along, but in this batch of canner, I'm water bathing these. But they are going to be nothing but the whole figs packed in juice. That's called old-fashioned fig preserves, or whole fig preserves. Sorry. So this whole canner full is going to be these. And I just fished them out with the slotted spoon and came back with another spoon to put them in the jar, and then I filled it with the juice. I'm going to boil these down a little while. I have more than one canner full, so it's going to take me a while. This one, once it gets up to boiling, then I can boil for 10 minutes, pull it out and put it on a towel over there, then set my next jars. I have to warm them and then sterilize them, which means leave them in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Then we'll pack some more, and then we'll process it, sterilize it, pack it, and then process it again for another 10 minutes. Alright, I'm going to do a bigger jar so it may be easier for you to see. Okay. We don't need our slotted spoon anymore. We're going to just take This is more or less a fig preserve that you can get. You can buy them either whole preserve or, whole fig, old fashioned, or like this. Either way, it's wonderful on a warm, hot biscuit. My daughter's favorite way to eat this fig preserve is on toast. So, recap, this is nothing more than frozen figs, so that's where I got roughly a cup of water from. I just assumed that when you freeze everything, you end up with water. 4.5 gallon bags of figs and 16 cups of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. I'm still thinking about that. But when you have this much fruit, it's not that bad, and sugar is your preservative. But we'll get these in, finished up. The water's already boiling. We'll boil them for 10 minutes, and you'll at that point they'll be ready to sit on the shelf until you open them. And we end up going through a lot of jellies and jams and stuff ourselves. So thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment. If you found our video entertaining or knowledgeable, hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, we do all kinds of stuff on our channel. It's basically whatever we're doing that day is what gets filmed. Thanks for watching. I got my daughter taste testing it. There's 3 figs that were left whole.
It would be better on toast, but it's good. And with like a little bit of lemon, but other than that, I approve.